In the 13th century, a bold Oxford friar dared to challenge the scientific beliefs of his time, and his insights still resonate today. Richard Fishacre's revolutionary idea that the stars and planets are composed of the same elements as Earth. But how did he reach this conclusion centuries before the invention of telescopes? Fishacre, a Dominican friar at Oxford University, turned to the fundamental properties of light and color. He argued that the celestial bodies' faint hues indicated their composition, a concept that might spark curiosity in modern astronomers. But here's where it gets controversial. Fishacre's reasoning went against the teachings of the renowned ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, who proposed the existence of a fifth element unique to the heavens. Aristotle's influence on medieval physics was profound. The fifth element, or quintessence, was believed to be perfect and unchanging, unlike the four elements of earth, fire, water, earth, and air. This quintessence supposedly formed the concentric celestial spheres and the stars and planets within them. But Fishacre wasn't convinced. He observed that color is associated with opaque bodies, which are always composite, made of two or more terrestrial elements. When we gaze at the stars and planets, their light often appears faintly colored. Mars, for instance, shines red, and Venus, yellow. Fishacre's insight. These colors suggest a composite nature, indicating the presence of the same four elements found on Earth. But the real clincher for Fishacre was the moon. Its definite color and ability to eclipse the sun contradicted the idea of a transparent fifth element. If the moon were made of this element, the sun's light would pass through it, but it doesn't. Fishacre concluded that the moon, and by extension, all celestial bodies, must be made of Earth's elements. This stance was not without consequences. Fishacre anticipated criticism, especially from those loyal to Aristotle's teachings. And he was right. In 1250, his ideas were denounced at the University of Paris by Saint Bonaventure of Bagnerijau, a Franciscan friar who mocked Fishacre's challenge to Aristotle's celestial theory. Fast forward to the 21st century, and contemporary astrophysics has proven Fishacre right. The James Webb Space Telescope, for example, recently analyzed the atmosphere of the exoplanet TOI 421b, located 244 light-years away, and found high quantities of water and sulfur dioxide. Interestingly, the telescope used a method similar to Fishacre's, detecting variations in light and color to determine the planet's composition. It's fascinating to consider that nearly 800 years after his death, modern astronomy echoes Fishacre's methods, using light and color to reveal the elemental makeup of distant planets and stars. This begs the question, how many other ancient insights might hold untapped potential for modern science? What do you think? Was Fishacre's challenge to Aristotle's celestial theory a stroke of genius or a lucky guess? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's explore the fascinating intersection of medieval and modern science.